Hi there guys, in this video let us talk about the almighty doubt about Nissan Magnate, that is after sales service and dealership experience. Firstly, let me introduce the dealership at my locality to you. This is Hi-Tech Nissan at Kurnool. Hi-Tech Nissan is also available at Tirupati and Anantapur. The main branch is situated in Tirupati. Here are the executives from which I got my vehicle. They are very friendly. This is the place where all cars get serviced. Let me go into it and I'll share you the experience. Firstly, there are quite a few things missing here, such as a paint booth, car washing machinery, wheel alignment and wheel balancing machinery, and many things are missing here. If Hi-Tech Nissan of Tirupati is watching this video, I hope you will fulfill the machinery, as your Nissan is growing with the help of the sales magnate, that is Nissan Magnate. There is also shortage of labor here. I found only 3 or 4 workers who are assigned to service number of vehicles. If Tirupati's Hi-Tech Nissan is watching this video, I hope you will fulfill the needs of the Kurnool's Hi-Tech Nissan. One thing to note, even though there are very few workers, they are perfect. Their work was pretty perfect. I will show you what will be done after 2000 kilometers. They will fill the blue coolant and they will also refill the brake fluid. I want to share you a small problem of Nissan Magnate with you guys. It occurred for my vehicle only. There was a rattling sound coming from the front wipers. I said to Mr. Rafi, who is refilling the brake coolant now. In just few seconds he removed the front wiper. He said that there was a problem with the locking of the wiper. He replaced it with new one. I am glad that he found the problem so quickly and perfectly solved it. Now I am not facing such type of rattling sound from wipers. Here goes the Nissan's heavy duty brake fluid inside its tank. He had also refilled the blue coolant. Due to lack of a paint booth, they have painted another vehicle, that is Nissan Terrana, outside the paint booth, so we cannot expect a good finishing. I kindly request the Tirupati's Hi-Tech Nissan to fulfill the needs of this showroom. The next thing that will be covered in 2000 kilometers service is checking that every tire's screw is screwed properly or not. The same goes for all 4 wheels. Firstly, he had put shampoo into the tank. Now he is refilling the tank with water. Now it's time to remove the air filter and clean it. As you can see, due to extreme off-roading that I have done with the car, there is lots of dust coming out from it. If possible, clean it by yourself by using high air pressure as shown in this video. Mileage is mainly dependent on air filter as well, so frequently cleaning air filter can return us a good average. Now he started cleaning the air filter bay, and it's time to fit the cleaned air filter into the car. I would recommend, if possible, do it by yourself frequently, that is after every 15 days, so that we can get good average. Now they are lifting the car so that they can check whether everything is fine or not, whether everything is stuck underneath the car. I have done extreme off-roading. I think there should be no problem because of 205 mm high ground clearance with the car. Even though I have done extreme off-roading, the magnet did not kiss the mother earth at single time. One thing to note here, you can do extreme off-roading, but there is lack of traction control in non-turbo engines, so go for turbo if you are a pure off-roader. And also, while absorbing the potholes that come in our way, the car did not even touch the ground for single time, but there comes the irritating suspension sound. Everything is fine, there is ample ground clearance, but one thing that can irritate you while driving Nissan Magnet is the suspension sound that will hardly and harshly enter into the cabin, which can be fearful as well. So Nissan could have avoided this negative point from Magnite. See, they are lifting the car. Now they will check whether everything is fine or not, and also I have requested them to check the suspension as well so that sound can be reduced. This is how it looks underneath the Magnite. I have done the underbody coating so that it appears black. One more thing to note here guys, there is no covering under the engine, which is quite sad. They should have covered the engine with some kind of plastic so that everything will be fine. They are checking whether all screws are screwed properly or not. Is there any kind of problem with that? Finally, they have said that nothing is problem with your car, everything is perfect. Now they are putting down the car. They have costed me a reasonable amount of 80 rupees, that is also for washer, and they have applied a gel to the battery fuse so that the battery works fine. I will show you what they have applied to the battery guys. In combined they have costed me a reasonable amount of 80 rupees, which is quite satisfactory. As I said before guys, due to lack of water servicing machinery in the showroom, they had given me a coupon so that I can do it by external car decors. This car washing was done by external car decors at my location. I would recommend them to upgrade so that they have their own machinery. Now I will come to the verdict, that is, how is the after sales service at my location. It may vary in different locations. I will also share you the overall experience of the after sales service. Now I will tell you the pros and cons of the dealership as well as after sales service guys at overall India level. Firstly, there is lack of showrooms or dealerships. There are only 500 or more than that, whereas Maruti Suzuki has its showrooms almost everywhere in India. So Nissan has to upgrade their dealerships, and also there is lack of equipment at my location dealer. I would recommend Nissan to upgrade their equipment so that the overall ownership experience of Nissan Magnet will increase. Pros about the dealership. The first pro is they are super friendly. The executives were very friendly with us. They delivered the product within the date that they promised to me. On an average, they are taking up to 4 to 5 months to deliver a Nissan Magnite. Even though there is lack of machinery, the spare parts will reach the dealer at rocket speed. I have been facing issues with Hyundai's spare parts. They will take lots of time to reach the dealer. which is not visible in Nissan. They allowed me to install chrome lining around the windows, which will be only offered in XP Premium variant, but they allowed me to install genuine Nissan chrome lining which will be underneath the windows, guys. That's the kind of friendly nature our dealers have. It may vary from locality to locality, so I cannot promise you that every dealer will allow you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't miss the exciting outro.